How to reset iPhone if forget passcode. In order for you to fix this issue, first thing first, let me head over to one of the official article which is gonna help you with the step-by-step process. Let me move into Safari. This is one of the article which is gonna help you out. So the very first step you can do is using a computer. You will have to restore your iPhone in recovery mode. Once done, you can set up your iPhone and set a new passcode. Touch ID, Face ID, or choose to use your device without any of these. You can use a Mac or even a Windows PC for this process. Now the next thing you can try doing is using your iCloud. If you forgot the passcode and the Face ID isn't working, you can unlock your iPhone using iCloud. For this, you need to make sure that you have already enabled the Find My feature on your iPhone. Here's how to bypass iPhone lock screen using Find My. On a trusted device, open a web browser and go to icloud.com/find. Click Sign In and enter your Apple ID credentials. Click All Devices and choose your iPhone from the drop-down menu. Finally, click on the Erase iPhone option. If you sign in from a new device and have enabled two-factor authentication, you'll have to enter the Apple ID password and 6-digit verification code that's sent to your trusted device. Now when you see a pop appear and asking for your confirmation, click on Erase. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password again and then you'll be good to go. Next, you can also directly reset your iPhone. On the lock screen, simply click on Forgot Passcode and then click on Start iPhone Reset and then click on Erase All. After that, your phone will be reset. After that, you will be able to unlock your phone easily. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.